Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying the turbo system layout and the type of valve fitted. This controls pressure release and sound. Once done, measure current boost and note actuator settings so you have a baseline. Next, install or swap to an adjustable blow-off valve and route vacuum lines cleanly. This lets you tune how quickly the valve dumps pressure. Make sure to secure fittings and avoid boost leaks, because the flutter relies on precise pressure release, timing for that crisp pulse. You now tune the balance between boost and valve response to create flutter rather than a full dump. First, reduce BOV spring tension incrementally so the valve opens the instant pressure spikes at throttle liftoff. Then, raise boost a little with a controller to increase pressure differential. This amplifies the flutter pulses. Finally, tweak actuator geometry or add shims to slow valve receding slightly. This interplay between opening speed and you finish by testing under real driving conditions using progressive throttle lifts to identify where flutter is strongest and safest. Once done, make small adjustments and retest. Confirm there are no boost leaks and that vacuum lines go to the correct reference. If you don't get flutter, check valve seating and spring condition, since leaks or a stuck valve kill the effect. And remember, if you hear turbo surge, excessive lag, or feel engine stress, back off settings immediately to avoid damage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.